Hello everyone. Welcome to the Wonders of the Sea today. Today, we're going to explore a challenging and culturally rich profession, octopus fishing. Today's video will bring us closer to the lives of these fishermen, helping us understand the hardships and struggles they endure to bring home delicious octopuses for their families. In the scenes you just saw, you saw octopuses hiding beneath the seabed, their appearance mysterious and mesmerizing. But within that lies a creature that is incredibly intelligent and powerful. Octopuses, while soft-bodied, are incredibly intelligent creatures capable of changing color and shape to camouflage themselves skillfully. They can transform into rocks, seaweed, even other fish to deceive predators and hunt prey. Furthermore, octopuses can eject ink for defense. They release a jet of black ink to disorient their attackers, allowing them to make a quick escape. Their intelligence and strength make hunting them a challenging endeavor. Octopuses are cephalopods, which means their legs grow from their heads. They have 8 arms, each with hundreds of suckers that help them cling to rocks, seaweed, and prey. Octopuses have the ability to regenerate lost arms. If attacked and lose an arm, they can grow it back within a few weeks. To capture these elusive creatures, fishermen use unique techniques passed down through generations. The spear is a traditional tool used in octopus fishing. It might seem simple, but using the spear requires incredible skill and dexterity. Fishermen must quickly spear the octopus and hold it tight to prevent it from ejecting ink or escaping. However, using spears can pose a danger to the marine environment, especially coral reefs. The sharp hooks can damage and destroy coral reefs, affecting the marine ecosystem. Besides using spears, fishermen also employ traps to catch octopuses. Traps are often placed in areas with abundant rocks and seaweed where octopuses tend to hide. In Japan, a unique technique for catching octopuses using traps involves using ceramic pots attached to ropes. These pots are placed on the seabed with tempting bait to lure the octopuses. Once an octopus enters the pot, it can't escape due to the narrow shape of the pot. This technique requires skill and deep knowledge of octopus habits to place the traps in the right locations, attract them to the bait, and minimize their escape. Moreover, the demand for octopus is increasing, especially in Asian countries, leading to overfishing. Using traditional methods like spearfishing can disrupt the ecological balance of the marine ecosystem. Octopus is a nutritious food source rich in protein and essential minerals. It's prepared into numerous delicious dishes and is popular across various food cultures worldwide. In Japan, octopus is used in many famous dishes such as takoyaki, octopus balls, tako wasabi, octopus mixed with wasabi, and yakitako, grilled octopus. How to prepare and clean octopus for tako sashimi. Cleaning the octopus. First, the octopus must be thoroughly cleaned to remove any fishy smell and natural slime. Chefs typically rub coarse salt over the octopus and gently massage it to remove the slime and impurities. After rinsing with clean water, this process is repeated until the octopus is no longer slimy. Boiling the octopus. For sashimi, the octopus needs to be briefly boiled to just the right level of doneness, creating a slightly firm texture. Bring water to a boil with a bit of salt and vinegar, then add the octopus and cook for about 5 to 10 minutes depending on its size. Once the octopus turns a pale pink and firms up, it's ready to be removed. Immediately after boiling, the octopus is placed in ice-cold water to retain its firmness and make it easier to slice thinly for sashimi. To create beautiful sashimi slices, the octopus is sliced very thin. Each slice must be even and precise so that when eaten, the diner can fully appreciate the natural sweetness of the octopus. Tako sashimi is a traditional Japanese dish that uses fresh octopus to create delicious and refined sashimi slices. This dish is especially popular for its unique texture and flavor. When prepared correctly, it offers a delightful culinary experience with a balance of tenderness and natural sweetness. Tako sashimi is typically served with traditional Japanese condiments such as soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger. The mild spiciness of wasabi combines with the natural sweetness of the octopus and the saltiness of the soy sauce, creating a unique and balanced flavor. When paired with pickled ginger, the freshness and delicate taste of the octopus become even more refreshing and lively. In Japanese cuisine, enjoying tako sashimi goes beyond flavor. It's also part of a cultural appreciation for the freshness and purity of ingredients. This dish showcases the chef's skill and finesse in handling octopus, bringing forth a simple yet elegant dish that highlights the essence of Japanese culinary art and tradition. Along Japan's extensive coastlines, octopus fishing has been an integral part of fishermen's lives for centuries. The use of cage traps, especially for large octopuses, is a unique traditional method that demonstrates the fisherman's deep understanding of these intelligent sea creatures. Each fishing trip begins at dawn as the sun barely rises over the ocean. Japanese fishermen, with firm hands and focused gazes, lower the cage traps into the blue waters. The traps are specially designed, resembling large boxes with small openings to lure octopuses inside without allowing them to turn around and escape. Each cage is usually secured with a strong rope connected to the boat, making retrieval easier. After a period of setting the traps, fishermen steer their boats toward the previously marked spots. Upon arrival, they operate a winch to pull the cages from the depths. The traps slowly emerge from the water, revealing large octopuses inside, with their powerful tentacles wrapped around the cage, writhing in an attempt to escape. Each large octopus can weigh several kilograms to dozens of kilograms, a valuable catch for the trip. Octopus fishing is not just about technique. It also requires respect and understanding of the sea. Japanese fishermen place great importance on nature and marine resources, never overfishing or using destructive methods. Each season, they only catch what is necessary to ensure that the octopus population can regenerate for future years. Smaller octopuses are often released back into the ocean to grow, preserving the biodiversity and sustainability of the marine environment. The large octopuses caught in these cage traps are more than just food. They represent pride and traditional value for the Japanese people. These octopuses are processed into various delicacies, from sashimi and sushi to hearty stews full of ocean flavor. Furthermore, this fishing method attracts tourists worldwide, eager to witness the traditional techniques of octopus fishing and taste the fresh, natural flavor of wild octopus. For hundreds of years, the method of catching octopuses with cage traps has become a cultural heritage in Japan. It is not only a story of fishing techniques, but also a tale of connection to the sea, respect for natural resources, and the perseverance embedded in the lives of the people here.